hear about them all the time. Scales. They're known to make or break you as a musician. This video will cover everything you need to know about scales and how to get started with scales without all the overwhelm. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you are someone who wants to go from zero to playing your favorite songs in months, not years. So what is a scale? A scale is a sequence of musical notes ordered by pitch that are either ascending or descending. The most common scales are major and minor scales. Major scales basically sound happy and pleasant, while minor scales have a darker sound. There's also a ton of other types of scales called pentatonic or the blues scale. In this video, we're going to cover major and minor scales and the different types of minor scales. But why even play scales? Well, on the piano, playing scales improves your technique dramatically. It improves your finger strength and your coordination, which is essential to being a good pianist. By playing scales, you also enhance your musical knowledge by understanding more deeply how notes work together and their relationships with each other. Third, it also improves your sight reading. Fourth, it improves your musical memory. It helps you remember different types of patterns and sequences. And lastly, it also helps with improvisation. Without understanding scales, it's going to be very hard to improvise without sounding bad. So it's also going to help you with your creativity. To be a good pianist, I'd say to make it a goal to be able to play every single major and minor scale. Before we get into learning a few scales, let me know in the comments what overwhelms you the most about practicing and learning different scales. All right, now let's finally learn some scales on the piano. Every single key on the piano has a scale that goes along with it. A on the piano has A major and A minor. B flat has B flat major and B flat minor. B has B major and B minor, and so forth. Every single scale on the piano pretty much uses different fingerings. There are some that share the same patterns of fingerings, but not all of them. So because of this, I'm actually going to start you with the D flat major scale. Now before you run, hear me out. This scale is actually great to start with because your hands and your fingers curve around at the same time. With a lot of scales, you're going to be playing and curving your fingers around at different times, and that's really hard to start with as a beginner. So let's start with the D flat major scale with just our right hand. Every time you play the D flat major scale, you need to use these fingerings. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then coming back down, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. In our left hand, it's pretty similar. We're going to start with finger 3 on D flat. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This next part is why I picked the D flat major scale as your first scale. Watch me play with both hands and how my hands are doing something similar. Both thumbs are on F. I've got all these 3 fingers on the black keys now. Both thumbs on C. Both finger 2 here. Back down. Thumbs. So D flat is actually a really great scale to start with because your hands twist and turn at the same time. And like I said, that's not always the case with every single scale. So definitely start with D flat. The second scale I would learn is actually G flat. I know that also sounds very terrifying, but hear me out for the same reason as D flat. G flat flat, similar to D flat, has the same thing where you're twisting and turning at the same time with your hands. So your first two scales sound very scary, but they're not. Now let's get into a more tricky scale, which is actually C major, which is what most teachers start with, but in my opinion isn't always the best idea. Let's check out C major with our right hand. It will always be these fingers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. With our left hand, it's going to be a little bit different. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now watch me play my hands together and you're going to see why this is more tricky. My right hand's going to curve my thumb under before my left hand. My right hand's curving under. My left hand is not doing that. My right hand is curving finger 3 over. So you got to really think about this as a beginner. It's a lot harder. I would make the C major scale the third scale that you learn because your fingers are going to be twisting and turning at different times, and that's going to be very overwhelming for your brain and for your hands. It takes some getting used to when your hands are doing two different things. So practice your right hand first, then your left hand, then put them together slow as a turtle. Now with minor scales, there's actually 3 different types of minor scales. Actually, the minor scale that is the most often used is the harmonic minor scale. So that's the one that I'm going to go over today. So let's start with C harmonic minor. Once you've learned C major, it's going to help a lot because it's in the same order of fingers as C harmonic minor. So watch my right hand. That was the same order of fingers as the C major scale. Just a little bit of different notes. I have an E flat, I have an A flat, a B natural instead. Same thing with the left hand, same fingerings as C major. Just a little bit of different notes. And just like with C major, putting your hands together is going to be a little bit tricky. Now, learning all these scales is going to take some time, so be very patient with yourself. What you can do on the piano is master playing 1 octave at a time with each scale. So 1 octave is just going like this, from C to C. Once you have 1 octave, then you can try 2 octaves like this, and come back down 2 octaves. Then you can have 3 octaves. And then lastly, you'll stop here at 4 octaves. To really improve your technique with scales, I would use a metronome and practice it with that. I would also order this book. It has all of the different scales and all of the correct fingerings for the piano in this book. This is the best book ever for scales. Highly recommend ordering this. That way you don't learn any of the scales incorrectly. Are you someone who's bogged down in music theory and boring children's songs and you just want to play the songs you love more quickly? If that's you, be sure to head to the description and click on the link where you can schedule a call with us if you'd like to go from 0 to playing your favorite songs in months, not years. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe and comment below and let me know what overwhelms you the most about learning scales. And I will see you next time.